Good morning, students. Class 1 Literature. Page number 64. Only one exercise is left. Already we have completed till speaking. Today we are going to do writing. After that we will start a new lesson, that is a poem Caterpillar. First of all, we have to complete writing of the previous lesson. Let us start. Write down the heading first. Complete these sentences. Writing. Complete these sentences. Sentences. Full stop. Sentences are incomplete. Here we have to complete it. And what to do? One has been done for you. One has been already done for us. One has been done for you. One has been done for us as an example. We will include that on also. First one, write down one number. My father works in a court. It is already done. My father works in a court, in a Q-U-R-T court, full stop. Then next one. Write down two numbers. There are 5. Anything you can mention here. There are 5 children. There are 5 birds. Okay. And it is this. Your kittens, your ducks, your hens. Anything you can write here. Then I am going to erase the heading. As well as 1 and 2. 1 is already done and 2 number, there are 5 birds. B-I-R-D-S. Full stop. Then third number, dash read out the answers. Third number, dash read out the answers. A-N-S-W-E-R-S. Full stop. Then fourth number, we are playing dash. We are playing dash. Here answers may vary. You can write your own answer. We are playing any game you can mention. Okay, then fifth number, dash is not in the cage. Dash is not in the cage. C-A-G. Sixth number. Sixth number, the yellow leaves dash. The yellow leaves dash. Full stop. Third Word number dash, read out the answers. Teachers, here children. Choice is yours. Here we can write teachers. Here children. Both are correct. Children, teachers also you can write. Children, read out the answers. Then fourth number. We are playing cricket, yeah, badminton, yeah, any game you can mention. Then I am writing we are playing in the field. We are playing in the field. What? Complete the sentences. We are playing in the field. In the field. Full stop. Then fifth one is not in the cage. The parrot. And the bird. The parrot is not in the cage. The next, last one. The yellow leaves fall off. Yes, shook off. Fall off. Yes, shook off. From the trees in winter. Okay, from the trees. That's one. From the trees. Write down these answers. Then we will start a new lesson. That is a poem, Caterpillar. Already we have learned it. Already we knew that poem. After completing this, we have to come to the next page. Page number 65, Caterpillar. We are going to read the poem Caterpillar. What is the title of the poem? The name of the poem is Caterpillar. Who wrote it? Christina Rossetti. Christina Rossetti. Christina Rossetti wrote this poem. Now I am going to erase all this. Caterpillar. Have you seen a caterpillar? Caterpillar. This is a poem. Okay. Now let us read the text. Let us read the poem first. Caterpillar. The poem is written by Christina Rossetti. Brown and furry, caterpillar in a hurry. Caterpillars are brown and furry. Furry means covered with fur. See the words which are written in red color. These word meanings are written in your book. The meaning of such words are written on your book within a box. See it is this. You can learn these meanings from your book. Brown and furry, caterpillar in a hurry. Caterpillars are brown and furry and they are in a hurry. Means they are moving. They are moving quickly. They are moving in a hurry. They are in a hurry and they are moving. Take your work to the shady leaf. Take your work to the shady leaf or stalk. The poet is telling, take your work to the shady leaf or stalk. Take your work to the shady leaf, to the leaf which are surrounded by all the green leaves. Or stalk. Stalk means the long thin, see it is written already on your book. The long thin part of a plant or flower. Means the long thin part of a plant or branches. You can say branches. But alive, not dead. Green branches. Take your work to the shady leaf or stalk or what not. You take your work, caterpillar, you take your work to the shady leaf, to the leaves which are surrounded by green leaves or stalk. Or stalk means green branches, the long thin part of a plant or flower. This meaning has been written down on our book. Or what not, which may be the chosen spot, or you may move, you may go, which may be the chosen spot, which you may choose as your favorite place. Chosen spot means favorite place. Chosen spot means favorite place. Favorite. It is full stop. Chosen spot means favorite place. Favorite. Favorite place. Or what not, which may be the chosen spot, or you may go, you may move, which may be your chosen, yeah, which may be your favorite place. No toad spy on you, no toad can spy on you, no toad can watch secretly. Spy on means watch secretly. No toad can spy on you, hovering bird of prey pass by you. Hovering bird of prey, the bird of prey which used to hover, which used to roam, pass by you. They used to pass by you, but they cannot see you. They cannot see you because see, you you keep yourself hidden and you used to move hurriedly. Spin and die to leave again a butterfly. You spin and die. You spin means here growth and development of a caterpillar into a butterfly. Spin and die, caterpillar grows. Caterpillar grows and die to become a butterfly. To leave again a butterfly. Spin and die to leave again a butterfly. You spin. You spin means you grow up and develop into a butterfly. You grow up, die and develop into to live again a butterfly, and you resurrect into a butterfly. This poem has been written by Christina Rossetti. Spin and die, these two words mentioning, these two words spin and die, here these two words are mentioning the growth and development of a caterpillar into a butterfly. The caterpillar they used to grow up, develop, mature, then they die, then they live again, then they live again a butterfly, then they renew their life in the form of a butterfly. Okay, then see, hovering bird of prey, a bird that eats small animals. Already we have learnt in science that bird of prey, eagle, hawk, these birds used to eat small animals. Okay, they used to eat small animals, maybe at night, maybe during daytime. Then spin and die. Spin, the meaning is already written, grow up and become a butterfly. Means rotate. Spin means rotate. Rotating its life cycle. Uh, Means here in science also the life cycle of a caterpillar into a butterfly has been given quite clearly. Now what we are going to do here, first of all we have to learn this poem, then after that we have to know the meaning of the words. See, the meanings of the words are already written, which are in red color. These word meanings are written in your book. And see, and other words, I think These words are easy, nothing is there. Shady leaf. Okay, shady. Shady is not written. Shady. Shady leaf. R is around it. That is around it. By the other branches or leaves. By the other branches and leaves. Leaves. A leaf that is surrounded by the other branches and leaves. Shady leaf. And next one, stalk. Stalk has been already written. No to spy one you. Spy means spying. He is spying one me. Then this is watch secretly. Okay, today this much. Then next day we will just read this poem first one by one, and during live classes, and we will do the exercise. Thank you.